Good morning, this is Ken. It's about 8 o'clock in the morning here in Tenerife. Very sadly, today is the last day of me and Oscar in Tenerife. So in this last full day, I'm going to show you what Oscar and I do in the resort when we don't go out for any adventure. Around 8 o'clock or 8:30, we go to the gym. Oscar has gotten ready because he's a little slow. Let's join him. So this resort has 9 floors. The gym is on the -1. The highest is the 8th floor. It takes ages to actually walk down. It's not really because of how many flights of staircases there are. It's really due to the kind of wrapping around of the staircases. It's not in a straight line. I am down to the -1 now. So this is the pool for everyone. The level guest has their own. We're done with the gym. I'm super sweaty now. After gym, we usually take the lift because I really don't have the energy to climb the staircases. And yeah, the lift is more direct to get between floors. So I made sandwiches, a half pastry.
This is really good.
Okay, I'm having more food, some fruit and yogurt. Yeah, trying to have a balanced diet. Okay, so we are on the way to the pool now. It's about 10:30, but look at the weather today. Look at this cloud, it's so grey, but since the last day we have to go. The sky is perfectly clear now, literally no cloud. It's just time to get into the pool. Okay, it's 2 p.m. We don't have lunch included because we paid for half board. However, we have the access to the level lounge. We usually go there for a quick snack.
Ciao.
Are you hungry for lunch?
Not particularly, but I will eat because I'm on holidays and I'm a fat bastard.
Yeah, same. I usually just have some fruit and a coffee. maybe a pastry. Okay, we're sitting down now. I'm starting with some fruit, a lot of tropical fruit, some juice and coffee, and Oscar has already demolished a plate of pastry and a donut. I just finished the fruit, but I'm super tempted by the cake and pastries today, especially if there's a super amazing look, moist, sticky chocolate cake right over there. So go have a look. Yeah, to be fair, the cheesecake here is not something I expected, not something I enjoy usually. Those pastries are really good. I don't eat donut. The wholemeal croissant is great. It's not sweet, I guess healthy. Oh, the cake. The cake looks so good. Okay, yeah, I'll have a slice today.
Back to the poolside again. Continue laying down and relaxing. It got really cloudy and slightly windy, so I think I'm just going to go back to the room. Bye, pool. Okay, it's 5 p.m. I just had a shower, washing off all of the sticky sunscreen. Now it's the cocktail hours in the Level Lounge. Every day from 5 to 6 p.m. there's a cocktail hour in the lounge. Essentially, they bring extra liquor options and a selection of tapas. Okay, so let's go to our last cocktail hour. So I made myself a Aperol Spritz. Cheers, Oscar. Well, essentially, so we used to drink a lot, like 2 or 3 years ago, and nowadays I really don't think my body can handle so much alcohol. It's simple, Oscar, isn't it?
I've been sober for 2 years.
Yeah, exactly. Oh, and one thing regarding this cocktail hour is if you don't have dinner included, I was jokingly saying it's possible to just have this cocktail hours tapas and then get food from this.
Ridiculous.
Apparently I'm very ridiculous for money pinching. But yeah, I would have done that, to be fair. You can get food from that if you don't eat much. We're on the way to dinner now. The sun has come out suddenly. It's super sunny and warm. So sad we're going to the Last Supper.
dinner time. So this restaurant is very beautiful. You can see the ocean behind me. And then tonight's the last supper, so I ordered a glass of wine and Oscar ordered water juice, apple juice. Okay, cool. So he's starting with a plate of salad, very healthy. I'm starting with some grilled meat, salad, some vegetables, and those exotic mushrooms, which I cannot really get easily in London. But sadly tonight there's no beef. I love beef. But tonight we have this pork, which is called Iberian Secret. Previously, I've only had this whatever Iberico ham thing in Japan in the curry shop place on the outside. At the time, I couldn't really taste much difference compared to the normal pork. However, when this pork is grilled on its own, it doesn't really have a unique taste. I've never had ever outside of Spain before. Yeah, it's really good. If you're ever in Spain, do try the Iberico ham or the Iberico pork or Iberico Secret. So I'm back with more grilled stuff. So I ordered more of the Iberico Secreto and 2 swordfish. I do love swordfish as well, as much as I love beef. So here comes my Schindler's third plate. It's literally just some pizza and some of the mushroom and a little bit of the chips. Yeah, I don't know why, like on this holiday, I just really crave some tuna. For the past few days when there was a bowl of tuna, I'm eating a sandwich. But tonight it's much easier because I had a tuna sandwich. I just added extra tuna on top of the tuna pizza, not sandwich, pizza. So my third plate was actually pretty bad. Pizza tasted really bad, especially the crust. Yeah, so the third plate just looks really British. Never really had such a bad plate ever in this resort, maybe because it's the last night. I just felt the need of satisfying my greedy fatty soul. We had a huge meal. Are you ready to be crucified?
That taste.
I think I am ready. I'm really full. This is literally the biggest meal I've ever had.
15 minutes later.
After crucifixion, that is, we had a coffee in the lounge, so now we feel more energetic. We're on the way to... No,
F2.
resurrection.
Yeah.
I mean, I cannot be carried because I'm too heavy, so I have to walk on my own feet to the coast and see a sunset which we probably won't see tonight. Look at this cloud. So cloudy, but the view is really beautiful. I just really love seeing those hotels and villas on the hills. Ooh. But today we are at a random place we've never been to. So really beautiful. It's the Black Beach. Darling from over. So actually, I didn't want to come over here tonight because it's very cloudy, but I'm glad we did, and we came to a unusual spot to see the sunset. It's really beautiful and a lot of people around as well. The perfect last evening. This is so romantic. Yes. Whoa. Sometimes foodie said we are successful at what's the word again? Ascension. Anyway, go to Japan. Oh, this is the perfect ending to our Tenerife holiday. We had a really relaxed week. I feel very re-energized. Thanks for watching. after re-crucifixion, I feel more energy.
Resurrection.
After re-crucifixion,
Why would you be re-crucified?
in the lounge.
After crucifixion.
Oh, sorry. Okay, anyway, after